Hello, and how art thou today? Hey guys, what is up? How is it going today? This week? Ow. Anyway, so today I'm continuing my drag queen journey, and I am going to be replicating a look done by Bianca Del Rio. I could have done any drag queen, obviously, but she is a winner of RuPaul's Drag Race, so I found it fitting to do a look done by someone who was working close to RuPaul, I guess would be the best way to put it. And also, since she is the first Latinx winner, I felt like that was a big deal considering I'm Latina. Obviously I'm a big mix, but yes. So, the look that I'm gonna be doing is this one. So, I am so excited. Obviously, there's way more going on than with the RuPaul look. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited to make it look good. So I'm gonna try my best and learn from my mistakes from last time. So without further ado, we are gonna get into this beautiful makeup face transformation. First thing I'm gonna prime real quick, which, you know, whatever. I don't need to show you guys that. So I'm gonna prime. Then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Primer is on. Now I'm gonna glue these brows down and hope I do it correctly this time. I'm gonna take extra care, extra caution, because last time I think my big mistake was not putting enough effort into my eyebrows. Obviously it looked like I'd done a lot, especially because I kept messing with them, but I think ultimately I was taking a lot of the glue off. And I didn't give it time to dry before putting more on, so I think that was my biggest mistake. So let's learn from this today, guys. I'm finding this ironic because I'm using a handheld mirror, but I'm next to my closet, which is just a whole mirror.
But it's okay, you guys can't see it, so we're just gonna pretend it's not there.
While that's drying, I am going to reiterate that if you are trying to do this, don't be like me, be very patient with this process of gluing down your eyebrows, because if you're not, then it's gonna be a hot mess. But don't play with it too much until it's dried, just because then you're gonna get all those weird little like bits. It'll start like getting stringy looking. What's happening, guys? But basically, just be patient with it, give it time to dry so that when you touch it, it's not gonna like come peeling off and then it's gonna mess with the look of your makeup. Next step is to set them. So I'm using the same setting powder I used last time, the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder, with my sponge, which I've cleaned since last time so it's not all disgusting. And I'm just gonna... eyebrows have been set. Yeah. Okay, next up we are gonna do a foundation. I'm gonna start off with the lighter shade all over my face, and then I'm gonna use the darker shade in like contour spots. I'm still gonna contour later, but like this is just so like I can get like that natural contour looking effect, if that makes sense. Like, you'll see, it's fine. I'm gonna start with the lighter shade in like this spot and this spot and this spot, and then the darker shade in like every other spot. I'm just not gonna like do them at the same time because then it's just gonna get mixed anyway and it's just not gonna make sense. So let's do that.
better than last time.
I'm gonna set my whole face now. Real quick, right quick. We're gonna set it. Feeling better about this time, guys. I am. I really am. Cool. Foundation. Setting powder. Done. Complete. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the exciting part. The makeup. The eye look. I obviously chose something a little bit more on the difficult side, but we can do this. Okay. I think this time around I'm gonna do the eyebrows first and then the rest of it. That way I can see where I need to put them and stuff. I am gonna use the microfilling pens like I did last time and then probably powder, but this is just so I can get an idea. So that they're not too high, but obviously still high. And they're very dramatic eyebrows. So I'm gonna put on like shloop, shloop. Yeah, just like that. That looks pretty good though, like low-key. Yeah. Getting all the bitches like this. I think I am gonna use a primer this time because there's a lot of white, and remembering how it went last time, it would just be a lot easier. I'm gonna use this flat brush that I have. I think it's meant for like concealer, but I usually use it for my primer. So I'm gonna use this bigger flat brush that I have, and I'm gonna put primer on my eyes and just hope I don't mess anything up. And yes, I will be putting them on my eyebrow, so hopefully that doesn't mess anything up either. We'll see. So obviously, I know, hot mess as always, but it at least made my base lighter, which was my goal, because I'm gonna put makeup on top of it, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So yes, hopefully this still works out. Gonna keep trying, keep going. I don't know how this looks, but we all know what I am. So we gonna ignore it. Watch, one day someone who's actually good at drag is gonna like judge my videos. I'm gonna have to hide from the world. But till then, this'll do. What I'm gonna do now is the actual eyeshadow finally. I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and I'm gonna do all of those pink parts. Shush, helicopter. It's always when I'm filming, it's never when I'm not filming. It's just when I'm filming. So I'm gonna take my brush and do those pink parts and hope for the best. I'm gonna do a lighter pink. I'm like, sorry guys for the ugly face. In this moment, I will say, if you were trying this on your own, at home or something, don't be like me, and if you're working like on your eyebrow, I would use tapping motions or blend in the direction that your eyebrows are glued down. Otherwise, it's gonna be all over the place, and you don't want that. So, those are my words of wisdom at this moment. Now moving on to purple. Let's hope for the best, guys. I'm gonna do the white part and then that black line. I'm not gonna take a true white, I'm gonna take this white that's in this palette I've been using. And it's like an off-white, but it's like a pink shade. I'm gonna use that. I should use a different brush. Okay. gonna go make this work. We doing it, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do this black part. I can't tell if she's wearing liner in this picture, so I'm gonna give her liner, because why not? It looks like it even does kind of go out this way, so I'm just gonna start here. And then I'm just gonna, I know this, what I'm doing right now doesn't make sense, but you'll see. That's a look. I have a feeling I'm doing this wrong. This is what I get for choosing a look where I can't even see all of it. So we're just gonna go with it. I'm going to do my other eye, put on the upper lashes, and then I'm gonna do that bottom part and try to figure it out. Okay, not looking terrible. Obviously not perfect, but a lot better than my last attempt so far. So for this bottom part, I am gonna use another set of false lashes for it just because it makes the most sense. But there's also like that white line, so I have to figure that out first. What I'm gonna do is use my angled flat brush and my primer again. I know it is messy, but just for the base. It's gonna go like, I'm so scared right now. Okay, out. Making my real bottom lashes white just because I don't see hers, so that's gonna be the move here. Okay, not the worst. Okay, now I'm going to put a white shimmer there just so it looks more even. Okay, I'm taking my black liner again and making that like little inner corner line that she's got. Literally just that. Okay, now for the hard part, these lashes. Gonna figure this out, guys. I swear, I swear. Oh no, it's this one. These two extra for the bottom. Nah. I feel so fucking extra. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Oh my god, she has a beauty mark. Hold on. On her right? No. Yes, her right side. Yes, okay. I said that like it was gonna be the hardest thing in the world. Okay, I should have done that after blush. It's fine. I'm gonna pretend like I know what I'm doing. So I should have done the beauty mark after I did blush and all of this, but you know what? We're just gonna ignore that right now. I'm gonna try to do blush without messing up my beautiful beauty mark. That looks fine. That's fine. Honey. Highlighter. For the loops, I do have several things here. It's more of like an ombre look, which I'm not great at, so I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna start off with a liner, a darker liner, and go from there. Now I have this Sephora lip that I'm going to put on the outer edge. Obviously this is a lot more purple, but we're going to stick with it. And putting this red color on the middle. Oh my my gosh. I'm already so much happier about this than last times. It's just, it looks so much more fun, and like, honestly, like, I had way more fun doing this one. Anyway, rambling. With this done, this beautiful look, I am going to now transform myself, get dressed, and I'm gonna show you the final look. Hey guys, it's editing Melanie here. So when I was editing this, apparently I forgot to turn on my mic for the end of this video. So I'm going to do a voiceover slash reaction to the very end because I can't tell what I'm saying, and who knows what I was saying at the time. I was high on life. So shimmy shimmy, hair flip. Let's see. So I'm like, so what do you think of this look? Oh my goodness, look how cute I am. I need to fan myself because I'm so cute. But this was fun, and my tummy is full, I guess. I don't know. And maybe like and subscribe and comment. I tried, and I think I look cute. Oh, titties coming out. Oops, sorry. Cuteness, la la la. Let me know what you guys thought, and if you have suggestions for a future video. Oh, it looks like I was talking to myself like always. And this was so much fun, and last time I wasn't as good. This time went so much better, and I had so much fun, and I don't know what else I could be saying. I don't know why I'm still talking, but let me know what you guys thought of this look. Let me know if there's any other drag queen looks you'd like to see from me, even past June. And thank you for watching and supporting. And I hope you enjoyed this video and it wasn't a waste of your life. And apparently I'm still talking. Shut up, girl. What do you have to say other than that? I don't know what I was saying. I must have had too much coffee. I bet that's what it was. Okay, let's see. I'm like, okay, la 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 la. I love you all. You're all beautiful people. Something's amazing. And I'm like, ooh, this is my outro. Something, something. Hasta la pasta. Teehee.